Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and today we're going to be reviewing WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe 2021 edition. So for the sake of this video, this is for educational purposes, and I discourage the use of stealing content and taking content from other people for your own personal gain. And this video is for educational purposes under the Copyright Act, so I will make sure that this follows the community guidelines. So to select a video that you want to convert, you'd go and select your folder that contains the video that you want, and then it goes through the process with you. So we're going to select a folder from here and then select our video. This is a webcam video of me. Then we're going to press open, and then it allows the file to be imported, and then it gives you a preview of the profile of the output, and it's MP4 format, this file, so you can set the quality to low or high depending on how you want it, and it gives you a preview window to the right so that you can play your video back to see if it appears right. And you can also use your graphics engine to accelerate your playback, or you can use your processor or your graphics card, and it also allows you to open the folders so that you can import a little more, and then you go from there. So we're just going to close that, and then it shows your information within the box here, and then on the bottom there is a destination folder line, so you can select the folder that you want to save your videos on. So you go to browse, and then you select the folder that you want. So we're just going to say PC and videos, and then it shows users and my name and then videos, so it allows you to save that. And then it shows, when you click there, an output profile option where you can convert it for certain devices like Sony, Amazon, HTC pads, Samsung tablets, whatever you want, so that if you want to convert one of your favorite videos to your favorite device, then you can do that. So it gives you like the audio options, the video quality options. If you want to set an aspect ratio, frame rate, resolution, you can do that. And then if you're not sure what to do, you just set it to the default, and then you just click OK. And then it gives you all the media that you import, and let's say you're done with everything, you just press run, and then it goes through the whole process. So it gives you a percentage. So let's say you select low quality, it'll go faster, but if you select the higher quality, depending on the speed of your computer, it'll go a little bit slower. So it's all up to you how you want to do it, and I find that this interface has a lot of great features, and it also is very easy to use and very straightforward. So you can also do the same thing with photos here. So you can import the favorite photos that you like. So let's just say I got a few pictures here from my camera roll, and I currently don't have any pictures right now, so I can't show you that. But if you have photos there, it allows you to import as many photos as you can, and then it allows you to make a little slideshow of it, which is really, really nice. And then it gives you the option to select various folders, and yeah, I'm just gonna see what we have here, and those are just the thumbnails. Now it has to be a certain format for it to work, so that I will definitely get back to you on that in the comments below. And then you can also convert DVD files. Like I say, don't steal other people's stuff, or don't steal movies. And then you can also import from YouTube as well. Like I said, don't steal other people's videos doing this method. This is merely an educational video. And then you can select the cores and the option to shut down the file, or shut down the program when it's done. And you can also check for updates to the program to make sure that the program is running at its optimal level. And that way you won't have any issues, you won't have any problems, and you won't have any sort of conflicts whenever you're converting your favorite files. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has really helped you out. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. I upload on a semi-regular basis now, so also share this channel with your friends if you find something that's helpful, or if you want to share something that they might think it's helpful. It'll really help my channel out. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time for a new video. Bye bye for now.